Let's explore the cicada life cycle. After mating, the female lays eggs in slits made on small tree branches. Upon hatching, the nymphs drop to the ground and burrow into the soil to a depth of about 8 inches where the soil temperature is around 64 degrees Fahrenheit. The nymphs will continue to develop underground through 5 larval instars until they are ready to morph into adults. Most of the 3,000 species of cicada will emerge from the soil after a year or two, but the 7 species known as periodical cicadas emerge in vast numbers every 13 or 17 years. This precise life cycle is known as developmental synchronization. Periodical cicadas are found in areas with large tracts of mature forest in the United States. There are 15 known broods, many of which span several states. The last known brood to occur in Florida has not been observed since the 1870s and is likely extinct. In April or May, when the conditions are right, the periodical cicadas begin their exodus from the soil. The cicada nymphs emerge by the millions, crawling up the trunks of trees and over branches as they search for a suitable spot in which to molt one more time into adults. The adults wait up to 6 days in the trees for their cuticle to harden before taking flight to find a mate. After 4 to 6 weeks, the adults die, having completed their life's goal of reproducing and passing on their genes to the next generation.
Have you ever been outside during the summer and heard a very loud whining or buzzing sound coming from the trees? Those are cicadas, specifically male cicadas, that are producing that sound by vibrating their tymbal, which is a very small, rigid membrane at the bottom of their exoskeleton. While the males are producing that sound, the females are drawn to it when they are ready to find a mate. This attraction to sound is known as phonotaxis, where an organism is attracted to a particular sound. Now, when the female is satisfied and has found her mate, they'll begin courtship. The male will then change his tone to be a little bit more personal and specific. The female will reply by flicking her wings to the beat of his song, and this shows him that she approves him as a mate. After their courtship, they will mate and reproduce.
Cicadas are well known for their loud chirping noises, but why do they make such a ruckus? These noises that they make are called cicada songs, and they are actually mating calls that males sing in hopes of attracting females, and in some cases it may also attract other males to aggregate. Different species of cicadas sing different songs, and these noises are produced from really fast vibrations from a structure called a tymbal that's located in their abdomen. Cicada songs also prevent birds from coming near because their song is so piercing to their ears that it makes it hard for the birds to communicate with each other. The noises that these little guys make can reach up to 100 decibels, which is basically as loud as a motorcycle or a hand drill. In addition to the fact that cicadas are one of the loudest insects, the cicadas have some other interesting facts about themselves. Most cicadas emerge in prime numbers. They emerge every 13 or 17 years in order to avoid emerging predators that have a more predictable schedule. Cicadas are also often dark colored in order to keep themselves warm.